Welcome to this ZONTAL video series, the ICAD Principles in Practice. In this series, we explore how ICAD principles bridge the operational gap between fair data and the realization of its value. In this first video, we will explore the first ICAD principle: integrate. Achieving integration is to connect every scientific data source to a governed pipeline. Such governed pipelines must capture the point of creation and preserve data in its native format with full provenance. In practice, delivery of integrations must be industrialized in order to effectively scale, utilizing a base of reusable assets that compound to reduce cost and delivery time for future integrations. Integrations must also be delivered quickly. The scale of full integration demands that instruments are onboarded in hours or days, not weeks or months. Next, we will explore how integration is practiced by ZONTAL, showcasing Converter Factory, ZONTAL's AI-accelerated delivery model for integrations and converters. Converter Factory aims to put your organization in control of scaling integration. Implementation of new integrations is now within the reach of stakeholders at any level of an organization, requested through a centrally accessible and intuitive user interface. The Converter Factory approach adheres to ICAD principles at its core, reducing integration time from weeks to hours. In this demonstration, we will showcase the simplicity with which integration of an entirely new device can be requested and deployed. Here we see the Converter Factory UI. In it are previously requested converters, showing their status from submitted to approved and deployed. We will create a new converter, inputting the desired name and providing context to describe which technique, manufacturer, and instrument the converter should be used for. In this example, we will request a converter for the Thermo Fisher NanoDrop 8. We are able to define the target schema for the converter. Having stated the technique, ZONTAL has already automatically identified the most current allotrope simple model industry standard schema. However, alternative or custom schemas may be defined instead, if desired. We are also able to provide additional requirements for the converter. In this example, we specify custom preferences for the input and output formats through the requirements field. Finally, we provide some representative example datasets, which will be used to create the converter, and then submit the request to Converter Factory. After a short time, the converter is now completed, and the request is ready for review. We can now explore how the converter processes our data and validate its performance. Here we see the input test data on the left and the converted output on the right. Highlighting data within the input file will show the user where it has been mapped to in the output file. Converter Factory also provides design documents which aid in the validation of the converter. These showcase the scope of the converter, including its accepted input formats and output format schema. A vendor field inventory also showcases the coverage of the converter and its data recovery. A traceability matrix further shows how input data is mapped to the new schema, including details of any transformations that have been applied. Finally, we are able to verify performance by uploading a test dataset and running a verification test. Again, the user can interactively explore the input and output formats and save the results of the verification. If, throughout this review, an issue is observed, the user can request a revision of this converter, returning it with details of any issues and instructions for what to change. It will then undergo a revision cycle. In this example, the converter displays good performance, and we can accept and approve it, staging it for deployment. Our converter has now been deployed to ZONTAL, where it is automatically capturing data and converting it to the specified standardized format. In today's example, we will be showing manual upload of the data so that you can see how the process works. We are selecting an example dataset and manually submitting it to ZONTAL to undergo the conversion. Here we can see that the original data, as produced by the instrument, is compliantly archived and preserved in the ZONTAL platform. Metadata extraction has occurred, as we have requested. A short time after, the vendor-neutral data is converted from the record and also uploaded to the platform. It is linked through its lineage to the original data. The vendor-neutral data is also loaded to ZONTAL Data Hub, from which it can be accessed in the next step of the ICAD path to value, analysis. This includes direct database access to analytics tools such as Power BI, Spotfire, and Tableau. ZONTAL viewers also give us the ability to interact with this data in an unlocked fashion. Here we can see the nano-drop spectrophotometry spectra from the original data as extracted by ZONTAL's converter. In mere hours, Converter Factory has developed and productionized an integration to an entirely new device. This is a process which revolutionizes delivery time, scalability, and cost-effectiveness of integration across your organization. Thank you for watching this first session of the 4-part The ICAD Principles in Practice series. Please join us next time, where we explore the second ICAD principle. Contextualize. The ICAD Principles. Open framework published under CC BY 4.0. Explore at zontal.io/ICAD-principles.